Everyone, it's Blaine with Seven Sons Race Cart. We're out here in the egg packaging room, and we're going to give you a quick tour of how we grade and package your eggs. Alright, this is Luke putting the eggs on the conveyor. The eggs are gathered every day. They're brought in here and put on pallets, so they're gathered into flats. The flats are put in baskets to make them easy to carry, and brought in here. And then this vacuum system here will grab 30 eggs at a time. So it goes on this conveyor, and inside there we have a black tarp around the handler, so you can see what we're looking for is any slots in the yolk, hairline cracks or fractures in the egg. And come around this side. And what's happening here is there are several brushes. Open it up a little bit inside that are brushing the eggs as they move through. There's just a little bit of just water that's dripped down through that line, that steel line in the middle there. It's dripping a little bit of water down there. So this chamber washes, and all the way to here it's still washing. And then once we get to these fan motors here, it begins to dry the eggs. And the eggs pass over an electronic scale, and as fast as those eggs are moving across, that computer is getting a weight on every egg, and it knows where it is in the conveyor, and then picks it off, picks all the eggs off in the appropriate weight range. So once we gather up enough eggs down here, we get everyone down here packing all the eggs. So what are the different sizes here, Bruce?
We got large on this end, mostly covering the entire grader. Down here we got medium, small, and jumbos.
Okay. And then how fast will this machine go?
Its speed is at 140 eggs per minute. We run it around 105.
Alright, so it can go up to 140 eggs a minute, but that's almost too fast to get the eggs packaged and out the door in time, so you're running about 100 eggs per minute.
Our top is 100. We're more average around 80.
Okay, 80 to 100 eggs per minute. Okay. And this machine is called, what's this machine called?
It's the National Poultry Equipment Model 20 washer and grader.
National Poultry Equipment Model 20 washer and grader with the conveyor on the front with the vacuum system there. So, alright, that gives you an idea how we process and wash, package, and grade eggs here at Seven Sons. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to like the video and share.